How are the OPC's powers evolving under Canada's PIPEDA? Imagine a world where your personal data is protected more strongly than ever before. That's the direction Canada is heading with the Office of the Privacy Commissioner's powers under the Personal Information Protection and Electronic Documents Act. As data privacy becomes more complex with new technologies, the OPC is gaining new tools to keep up. Recently, the government proposed reforms that would give the OPC more enforcement authority. This means the OPC could now issue binding orders that organizations must follow. They could also impose fines up to 5% of an organization's global revenue or 25 million Canadian dollars, whichever is higher. This is a big change from before, when the OPC mainly investigated and made recommendations. Now, they can take direct action and enforce compliance more effectively. Another important update is the creation of a Personal Information and Data Protection Tribunal. This tribunal would handle appeals against OPC decisions, giving organizations a formal process to challenge enforcement actions. It's a step toward making privacy rules clearer and more enforceable. The OPC is also adopting a more flexible approach called the compliance continuum. Instead of just investigating violations, they now focus on working with organizations proactively. This includes offering advice, signing compliance agreements, and conducting investigations tailored to each organization's risks. The goal is to prevent problems before they happen and make privacy compliance easier to manage. With the rise of artificial intelligence, the OPC is paying close attention to how these systems handle personal data. They are issuing guidance on sensitive data like biometric information and emphasizing the importance of meaningful consent. The OPC wants organizations to limit data collection to what is necessary and be transparent about how AI processes data. This focus aims to address the privacy risks that come with automated decision-making and machine learning. The OPC has also made it easier for organizations to report data breaches. They introduced an online form that companies and government agencies can use to quickly notify the OPC about breaches. This helps detect and respond to data leaks faster, reducing harm to individuals. While the OPC's main jurisdiction remains in the private sector, especially for federally regulated businesses and cross-border data flows, the evolving powers reflected a broader effort to address privacy challenges across all sectors. They are also advocating for modern privacy laws that recognize privacy as a fundamental right and support new rights like data portability and data disposal. For businesses and developers working with artificial intelligence, these changes mean they need to be more diligent. Clear consent processes, transparency about AI data use, and strong accountability measures are now more important than ever. Organizations should prepare for increased oversight, potential fines, and proactive engagement with the OPC. Overall, the OPC's powers are growing to match the rapid pace of technological change. They are becoming more assertive in enforcing privacy rules, especially around emerging technologies like artificial intelligence. This evolution aims to better protect Canadians' personal information in a digital world that's constantly changing.